Okay, we're going to open up our house that we made in assignment 3, and we're going to learn how to put text in to label the rooms. You should always label rooms because someone looking at your floor plan is not going to understand what you've done here. So first, you need to put your current layer on Anno room name. So Anno, meaning annotation or text, room name. Okay, so we should have formatted our text, and we'll check. Yes, we have not formatted our text, so we're going to go ahead and format our text. So our standard text should be city blueprint. So we'll find city blueprint. There it is. And that's the only thing we're going to change. So we'll set current, yes, and close. All right, so we're going to label our rooms. So we'll go over to, we'll type in DT for text, DT. It says create a starting point. I'm going to click on the screen here in the living room. It asks for a height. 8 inches is a good height for this size of plan. Rotation angle always stays 0 because we read left to right. So we're going to hit enter, and now we have a flashing cursor, much like you see in Word, and you're going to type living room. We'll come up here. We could hit enter, enter, and stop, but we'd have to go through all the commands again. So we're just going to click, and it moves the cursor. So this is the kitchen. I'm on purposely spell that wrong so I can show you. We're going to click in the laundry, bath, and bedroom. I'm not going to label the closet because that's pretty self-explanatory. So once I'm done, if I hit escape, it erases all my text. So this way you want to be careful. You hit enter, enter, and that sets your text. Now, if you misspell something, you have an opportunity to fix it. Also, AutoCAD has a spell check, and I believe it's under tools. Yep, spelling. And it asks you, do you want to check the entire drawing? I do. So I'm going to hit start. And it shows me that I misspelled kitchen. So I can click kitchen there and change it and hit OK. That's that. It's always good to spell check. Also, if I didn't want to do it that way, I can do ED, ed, click on the text, and then I can respell it wrong again. Okay, so, and then I'll hit enter and it'll be done. Okay, so 2 ways of checking your spelling. Okay, so we're going to make a little table. We'll make a table later. So this is the lesson on text, and we're done.